Hi, my name is David. Welcome to my course Start Hacking and Making Money Today at HackerOne. Imagine that you can hack legally. Imagine that you can get paid for your findings. And in addition to this, imagine that you can hack the greatest companies in the world like Twitter, Yahoo, Uber, Coinbase, and a lot more. Is that possible? Is it realistic? Can this dream come true? Is there any kind of platform that allows you to make this dream come true? The answer is yes, there is a platform called HackerOne. This is the platform for you, dear researcher, bug hunter, pen tester, ethical hacker. This is something amazing. We've got this platform, and you can right now go to HackerOne, you can sign up, and you can make this dream come true. It's really amazing. HackerOne is a platform, and at the same time, this is a company. And in this course, I'm gonna show you how you can start hacking and making money today at HackerOne. I'm gonna give you a fresh knowledge. I'm gonna give you a kind of a starter, how you can do it, how you can actually start hacking and making money. So I'm really excited to start this journey, and I wanna share my experience. I'm really fortunate enough to be one of the top hackers at HackerOne, and a lot of people have been asking me in the recent years how they can start playing with this beautiful, fantastic platform, how they can start hacking, have a lot of fun, and earn some money in the end. And this is it. And that's the reason actually why I decided to create this course. So let's start the journey and let me discuss what's covered in this course. So let me jump to the table of contents. HackerOne is really your big opportunity. There are, many different options for you, and there is actually a plethora of options. One big opportunity. And this is actually a life changer for many hackers. I know quite many hackers that just invested their time in this platform, and it was like wow for them. And I want it to be also great for you. So first I'm gonna tell you about HackerOne, what it actually is, how it works, and you need to have this kind of understanding of this platform before we go to the technical part, before we go to the bugs that are accepted by companies that you can find, submit, and you can get your money. But at the very beginning, you have to understand this platform and how this kind of stuff works. So this is what I'm gonna cover first. And then I will jump to the list of 5 bugs. As I already told you very briefly, I want you to have a kind of takeaway from this course. And I want you to, after watching this course, be able to start hacking and making money. That's why I've got this list of 5 bugs, something that you can start with. And it has proven to be successful. It has proven to be working. Because I really was able to submit different bugs and I was able to get some money with these bugs. So I'm gonna share these bugs with you. Really good, fresh starter for you. I want you to understand these bugs, so I will make some kind of consideration about this list of bugs. I've got 5 bugs carefully selected for a start, but I want you to understand what is a good bug and what is a bad bug, right? Because you have to focus. If you want to be successful, you need to have this kind of knowledge. You need to be focused. You need to know what actually works. You can experiment on your own, right? You can invest your own time and see this works and that doesn't work. But you don't have to do this experimenting. I can share my knowledge. I can tell you what works at the very beginning and what I recommend you to do. What kind of strategy is a good strategy, to start with. So there will be a a couple of considerations, and then we'll go to the technical part. Very important, I would say crucial, because you need to find these bugs, you need to be able to understand these bugs, submit these bugs, talk to the different program owners, and finally you can get your rewards. So the 5 bugs are like this. I'm gonna show you how the password reset link from the web application can be automatically disclosed to external domains. A very powerful, very nice attack, because this attack actually leads to account takeover. Definitely, we don't want the password reset link of the user to be disclosed to external domains, and it happens in quite many companies, and I'm gonna discuss this bug for you. Then I'm gonna show you how you can get access to the account of the logged out user. This is quite nice bug, because when you are logged out and you see that you are logged out, then you basically assume that, well, indeed you are logged out, because you see. What you see is what you believe, right? But it doesn't work this way. And the fact that you see that you are logged out does not necessarily mean that you are logged out. And well, it might sound to be quite complicated or mysterious right now, but well, I will go to the details in this course. And I see this kind of problem quite often in different companies. After that, I will jump into insecure processing of credit card data. Another nice bug. Well, credit card data, this is obviously very sensitive piece of data, and we want this data to be processed securely. And credit card data is almost everywhere. Think about e-commerce, think about online shopping. It's everywhere, it's ubiquitous, and there is a chance for you. There is a chance for you to go from one program, one website to another website and see if a given problem that I'm going to discuss here happens in a given web application or not. And this is something that is really interesting for people, because, well, we are talking about your money, right? Credit card data, money, payments and stuff like that. So it's gonna be discussed next. After that, I will discuss the subject related to the disclosure of authentication cookie. Authentication cookie is very sensitive piece of data. Once you are logged in, then from that moment on, the only piece of data that is used by the web application to recognize the user is a cookie with session ID, the so-called authentication cookie. And the security of your web application is as strong, as the weakest point in the chain. And quite often the weakest point in the chain is processing of authentication cookie. And the nice example that I'm going to show you, that I'm going to demonstrate, is that your authentication cookie can be disclosed over an insecure channel, even if your web application is protected by secure HTTPS. This is an eye-opener for many people and a great opportunity for you, so I'm definitely gonna discuss this stuff. Last but not least, we've got user enumeration. We really don't want the attacker to be able to enumerate the users of the web application, right? We don't want the attacker to build up a list of emails of different users who have the account in a given web application. We don't want it to happen. It's quite obvious, and hackers are smart. They can try different ways of getting this kind of information, and I'm going to discuss it as well, how smart hackers think, how they work, and how they can figure out who is registered in the web app and who is not. So the user enumeration. This is basically this list, and I love demos, and I do believe in demos, in hands-on exercises and stuff like that. So for every single bug, you're gonna have technical overview so that you can really understand what this problem is all about. And after that, I will jump to the demo. I'm gonna show you step by step how a given vulnerability works, how you can detect this vulnerability so that you really understand how it works in practice. So yeah, very basically, this is it. We are right now done with an introduction, and I can't wait to invite you to the next video where I will focus on HackerOne platform, and I want to really show you that this is really a big opportunity for you. So without further delay, let me jump to the next video.